What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a fret crowning file with this Nicholson 6-inch triangle file. So first what we're going to do is flatten. We're going to take the teeth off these edges here, and then we're going to kind of chamfer over onto the side. And this is a traditional file, I should say, instead of the ones that have like the U channel in. These are better. They hold up, last forever, not like the diamond dust junk that you get. Alright, so all I got here is an angle grinder chucked in the vise, and there's a flapper wheel on here. We're going to take and very carefully take that edge off each corner. Okay, so with the angle grinder, you got to be real careful with that flapper wheel, because as you can see, that took it down quick. And hopefully you're seeing that right from there all the way down on each side. That's what you want it to look like. And then the very tip of it, you want it rounded over just like that. Now what we got to do is we got to chamfer all along each side. Okay, hopefully the camera's picking this up. So we got that chamfered all the way around, all the way back. And the way I did it was, after I used the flapper wheel, took a Dremel and a stone, and once I got that V started, I went right along the edge, and then by hand I'm using some 220 grit and just going back and forth on the sides and the top to polish that off. So you got two more to do, and then we'll stick the handle on it. Alright, so there you go, handle's on. Suck my balls all night. There you have it, guys.